here what we're looking at is some theory behind when we look at things to do with how many solutions we've got or the number of solutions. Basically, with linear graphs, when we need numbers of solutions, we're basically looking at intersections between graphs. So we could have one intersection. That happens. So we've got y1, we've got y2. We have one intersection when the gradient of 1 is not equal to the gradient of 2. The gradient of 2. So if the gradients are different, doesn't matter how different they are, they will intersect at some point. We can also have where we've got no solutions. Whoops. Another line, give me another colour, green. So we can have where we've got no solutions. That is where, so we've got y1 and we've got y2. In this case, m1 is equal to, the gradients are the same, but the y-intercepts are not the same. So that's what we end up with there. Now, we've also got a really interesting thing that happens. We can also have where we've got Mrs. Marcotte coming in. We've got one line and we've got another line right over the top of it. That is where we have infinite many solutions. So over here we've got one solution. Here we've got 0 solutions. And here we have got infinite solutions. And when we have infinite solutions, gradient of 1 is equal to the gradient of 2. The y-intercept of 1 is equal to the y-intercept of 2. And what we'll be asked to do is basically we want to rewrite whatever equations we're given. We want to always write the equation in the form of y equals mx plus c. And then see if the equations have different gradients. We're going to concentrate on the value of the gradient between the two equations and the value of the y-intercept. So, in doing that, what we'll find is if we have different gradients, we've got one solution. If we've got the same gradient, different y-intercepts, we've got no solutions. If we've got same gradient, same y-intercept, we've got infinite many solutions. So basically the two lines occupy the same space, two lines never occupy the same space, two lines occupy the same space at one point. But that's the way we go about that. So like I said, there's some theory behind what's going on. So we always write it in the form of our equations. We transpose, we rewrite in the form of y equals mx plus c, and then we say, okay, whether it's got one solution, no solutions, or infinite many solutions based on that information.